turn.
Yeah, come on. Oh, yeah, we're gonna go. Come on, guys. Come on, guys, come on. Come on, guys. I'm talking to you, Luigi and Toad. Hello, I'm Luigi. Wow, look at fun.
Hey, do you want to see my head?
Yeah, sure.
Look at my head. Look at my big head.
Okay.
Here, make a video.
Yeah, we gotta find all the Chaos Emeralds.
Make a video of them sleeping.
Okay,
And then
come on, guys.
Trap.
Come on, guys. We gotta go get the Chaos Emeralds. Nobody never knows.
Hello.
Okay. Yeah, come on.
Let's go inside. Let's make a video in the house.
Okay.
Hello, my name's Big Fat Bird.
My car.
Am I so fat?
Yes, Mom.
Oh, look.
Okay.
You want to see me?
Sorry, we're having.
Look at me.
Sorry, we're having a little bit of pregnant difficulties. Okay, now come on.
Okay, it's so difficult. Let's talk.
Yeah.
Oh, do you want to make a video of pink? I mean, Blue Toad wearing a pink jacket. Hello, this is Blue Toad wearing a pink jacket.
Oh, gone. Well, I got a tag on my butt that says Sonic the Hedgehog. Come on.
Who wants to make a video of a coat?
Come on.
I live in a car. Hey, bro. You want to see my house, guys?
Hey, look, it's the car that I live in on Sonic Underground.
Sonic Underground is scary.
No, it ain't.
But the other movie that we were watching is scary.
That was in the movie, it was a show.
Hey, hello, I'm Sonic Underground.
Ew. Well, the video's over, so hope you like it. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. Yeah.
It's time to get big.
Yeah. Oh, baby.